it's Jennifer. I'm back with another quick idea for some better fine motor skills for those little kiddos that are home. Today I have a colander and a empty Parmesan cheese container. I have some beloved pipe cleaners that have been used and reused a million times. So you can use these, or you can use spaghetti noodles if you have that instead. So what you can do is you can turn your colander upside down and the pipe cleaners fit in easily. They can just go in straight. You can loop them to make little handles. You could see how many you could put in a certain amount of time. You can name the colors. You can cut. If you want a short one, you can use some more fine motor skills to make them smaller and cut them. And then it's different having to put them in when they're small versus when they're long. This activity works on fine motor skills as well as some of those translation skills, or that in-hand manipulation. When I put the pipe cleaner in, I use my fingers, oops, I'm stuck, sorry. I use my fingers to help push it in. So I'm gonna just take those, use that pincer grasp to push and push. I can use two hands if you think it would be easier. Depending on the age of your kid, you want to make sure that they are just happy and having fun. It's not about being perfect. As far as the Parmesan cheese container, if you have little ones, you can just use an open container to have them put it in. And when you push them in, you're using some finger strength as well. Again, screwing and unscrewing the lid. The other side of the container that is open is easier than the side that has the holes in it. So again, you can make them smaller if you need to. Having them straighten out and after they've been bent is also some good fine motor activities. Cut it, put it right in that hole. Okay, have fun, enjoy yourself, come up with new ways to play with pipe cleaners and any containers that you have that have little holes for those little itty bitty fine motor skills. Thanks, have a great day, stay safe, and wash your hands.